How to verify your YouTube account without phone number. So to verify, all you have to do is first of all open up your YouTube, and after opening your YouTube, on the upper right corner you will have a profile icon. Click on your profile and then go to your YouTube studio, and now on the left side you will have a bunch of options. Click on settings, and after that here you will have options. Click on channel and then go to feature eligibility, and here you will have the features. So if you want to enable the intermediate features, then by the way this one has the more features. So if you want to enable this, you can simply click on the drop down bar. You will have verify phone number option. Click on that. Now YouTube will ask you for your phone number, but if you don't want to add your phone number, then I'll show you an option. You can go to your search bar and search for freephonem.com, and from here you can have United States and Canada. So you can choose any one of the phone number that you would like. Click any one of them. So if you scroll down, you will find these numbers. You can simply choose any one of these numbers and you can simply add it here, and you can choose the country also. And after choosing that, you will get a code, and make sure to refresh this page so that you will get the code, and after entering that code you will be verified to your YouTube. So that's it guys, that's how you verify your YouTube account without phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.